brother?
Like if working in this area, then it's okay, no problem, because like save time.
Yeah.
Save everything.
Yeah.
So very important the timing for work to go very fast.
Yeah, very fast. Like from my house to my work, it's only 10 minutes using scooter.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Bakit?
Naghintay na sila ng update. Not really doing.
Sorry, thank you.
Ano lang, dry eh.
Tama, nagkilamas ka ba? Ay, mapala mo siya.
Kilala pa. Oh, oh. Kaya ko.
Tanggol.
After the dentist.
After?
Dentist.
Dentist. So, today is dentist day. Papa-adjust kami dalawa. So, yung schedule niya, appointment niya is 6:40. Tapos ako 6:50. So, yung Uber niya, dyan na nakabuk namin ng Uber. Ta-da-da. So, we're here. Yung mga sasakyan lang. Hindi kami makatawag.
Huwag sinasabi mo kung nasan ka. Pakita mo din naman.
Wait lang kasi gagawin agad eh. Ito. Ito na dito namin sa King's Dental Center. So, dito kami nagpalagay ng braces. So, 6:40. Maaga kami 10 minutes. So, waiting pa kami kasi umaga kami. Let me show me your hand. Looks nice hand.
Compared to your
Sorry na. Japanese ka ba? Dito na kami. Say hi to my pencil.
Okay, so take everything that I send you.
Yay, at last. So he's done. Nice. It's my turn.
Give me your phone and your phone. Siya naman.
Cash is there? No, it's here.
So it's payment time.
Go back and come. Yes. Ujjal. Go back and come.
So 1,000
Yeah, 1,000 should be. Try again this.
Thank you. So we're done. So, nag-aantay na lang kami ng Uber.
1305.
And then, white? Di ba yun? And then, kakain na kasi gutom na kami. So, ito pala yung labas ng guys. Oh God. So, we're hungry. We're starving. What time is it na? It's 7:23. Tagal naman sa dentist. Hindi kasi kami agad na-adjust. Pero okay lang.
So, we're back.
And so, we're back. So, we're home. Bye-bye.